If your passenger side temperature control is not working on your GMC, Envoy, or Chevy Trailblazer, this video is for you. This covers 2002 to 2009. Remove the contents from the glove box. Pull the latch to release the glove box. Remove the three 5.5mm screws from the blend door actuator. Someone was in here before, and there are 2 screws missing. Gently pull the actuator off of the blend door shaft. Remove the actuator electrical plug. Rotate the blend door shaft as needed. Align the blend door shaft with the actuator and reinstall. You can also rotate the actuator until it is aligned with the shaft, and then rotate the actuator back into place. Someone broke off 2 of the mounting towers, so I have to reassemble with only 1 screw. Luckily, that does hold it in place. They said pull the HVAC B fuse and let it set for a few minutes, but that didn't work. It keeps cycling back and forth when I pull the fuse recommended. This can damage the actuator if the system is not reset. Just pull all 4 HVAC fuses. Access to the right fuse box is under the back seat. Lift the driver's side rear seat up and pull the 2 fuse box covers. Pull the 4 fuses shown in these images and take a 10-minute break. Then reinstall the fuses and test. Reinstall the 2 fuse box covers and put the seat down. Relatch the glove box and replace the contents. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped.